To install the CTS 9000 Irrd, the following tools will be needed: a drill and a drill extension, a 1/2 inch diameter drill bit, two 9/16 inch wrenches, an adjustable wrench, a 3mm flathead screwdriver, and a 6mm flathead screwdriver. To install the CTS 9000, drill 4 1/2 inch holes into the conveyor structure, matching the holes on the CTS 9000 base plate. Then place the CTS 9000 on the conveyor structure over the holes and bolt it down with the supplied bolts. To connect the CTS 9000, refer to the control box wiring diagram and connect the cable to the COM terminal. Then connect another cable to the normally open or normally closed contact depending on the application. While the CTS 9000 is in operation, if an object protrudes through the belt as it passes the CTS 9000, it will break the infrared beam and the unit will trip. If there is a longitudinal rip in the conveyor belt, material will fall onto the catch plate, which then builds up and breaks the infrared beam, causing again the unit to trip. When the unit trips, the normally open contacts will close and the normally closed contacts will open, or vice versa depending on which contacts are used. If the CTS 9000 is tripped and you wish to reset it, ensure that the rip in the conveyor belt has been fixed or the object has been removed from the belt. Once the problem which caused the trip is corrected, simply press the wash button and clear the catch plate of any material. Then reset the CTS 9000 by pressing the reset button. The delay time selector in the control box can set the time that the infrared beam must be broken to trip the unit. When the unit is tripped, the lockout LED will be illuminated and the trip LED will be illuminated every time the infrared beam is broken. If the unit covers of the CTS 9000 are dirty and you wish to clean them without tripping the unit, press the wash button to disable the infrared beam. The amount of time needed to clean the lenses or wash the unit down can be set using the Set Wash Time selector in the control box. When the unit is in wash mode, the wash LED will be on and the covers may be cleaned without tripping the unit. An audible alarm will sound for 30 seconds before the unit returns to normal working operation. It is highly recommended that all nuts, bolts, screws, and connections on the CTS 9000 be checked and tightened every 6 months. The CTS 9000 does not require any lubrication. As for troubleshooting the CTS 9000 Irrd, if the unit is not tripping when you feel it should, a couple things to look for. First and foremost, look to see if the trip LED is illuminated when you feel the unit should be tripping. If it is not illuminated, chances are there's a bad connection or a bad power source. Those are the first two things you want to look for. If the trip LED does turn on when the unit should be tripping but the unit is not tripping, most of the time it's a case of the transmit and receive covers being dirty or obstructed. What you'll want to do is remove the unit covers and then try to reset the CTS 9000. If the unit does reset, simply clean and or replace the transmit and receive unit covers. If you remove the transmit and receive unit covers and the unit does not reset, more than likely the problem at this point is that the unit boxes are not aligned properly or they're damaged. Make sure that they are aligned and not damaged, and then try to reset the CTS 9000. If at this point the unit is still not tripping or resetting, we advise that you call the Arch Factory at 1-800-553-4567. Thank you for your time.